question is taken from class 10 mathematics. So find a ratio in which the line segment joining the points a of 4 comma minus 3 and b of 8 comma 5 is divided internally by point p of 7 comma 3. So how we are going to do this? So a question I have taken from Go About paper. As you can see, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point a of 4 comma minus 3 and b of 8 comma minus 5 is divided internally by the point p of 7 comma 3. Okay, so take down this question first. Now here what is given? Find the ratio, take down the question, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points, now the line segment is joining which point? A of 4 comma minus 3 and b of 8 comma 5 is divided internally by point p of 7 comma 3. So ratio of the line segment division, so write down let the ratio, so let the ratio be k is to 1. Okay, let the ratio be k is to 1. The coordinates of point P, see nothing is given means whenever they tell you all to find a ratio, and if only like this way it is given, you all have to always put k is to 1. Okay, remember this. The coordinates of point P dividing this a of 4 comma minus 3 and b of 8 comma 5 are, now this point p of x comma y will be what? K of, here it will be k of, here if I take this to be, wait, x1, y1, x2, y2. So here it will be x2 plus so let us apply this formula. Okay, so here what is x2 over here? 8. So here it will be 8k plus 1 into x1, x1 is 4, so here it will be 4 into 1, right, upon k plus 1 comma k. Y2 will be what? Here y2 is 5, so 5k plus y1 is minus 3, so it will be minus 3 into 1 upon k plus 1, close the bracket. Now what we are going to do is given p of 7 comma 3, so x is 7 and your y is 3, it's given, right? So we equate the x coordinates. So let us, we are only equating the x coordinate. Okay, x means this part we have to take, this is x, y. So 7 is equal to 8k plus 4 ones are 4 upon k plus 1. Okay, now next what you all have to do is write down this, multiply this, 7 into k plus 1 is equal to 8k plus 4. So 7k, this into this distributive property, plus 7 is equal to 8k plus 4. So here it will be 7k, okay, 7k minus 8k is equal to 4 minus 7. So here we will get k minus k is equal to minus 3. So minus minus will get cancelled. Your answer will be k is equal to 3. So you all got the value of k, right? So therefore the ratio is 3:1. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to find the ratio. In the question they told us to find the ratio, right? And we have found out the ratio. So I hope you all know how to do this now. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. If you all have not subscribed my channel, please do like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries related to this, you all can comment below. Okay.